Hey everybody, it's Christopher O'Sullivan here again with a daily update on the ongoings at COP26, the conference on climate action and climate change as it's happening in Glasgow. Today, the conference really kicked off in earnest with a lot of the world leaders making their initial contributions. That included our own leader, Micheál Martin, who once again reaffirmed Ireland's commitment to climate action and keeping the increase in global temperatures to below that 1.5 degrees Celsius. He also said, which I thought was quite a positive statement, that this is a unique opportunity for the globe to turn the tide on climate change. And there's no doubt about Ireland or his commitment to that. You had an inspirational speech, as always, from Sir David Attenborough. I would really recommend checking out his contribution at COP26 because yes, it was stark and the reality is stark, but it was also full of hope. And again, he underlined the fact that it's not too late for us to turn this around and make sure the planet is there for future generations. So there was a mixture of hope, but of course there was also some very stark warnings from other delegates. Trinidad and Tobago, the island in the Caribbean, that has been subjected to flooding and severe drought all in the same year. The delegate from the Trinidad and Tobago said, they feel like they have front row tickets to the end of the world. That was quite stark. And then you had Antonio Guterres, who is the Secretary General of the UN. His statement, and I think one of the most eye-catching statements, was we are essentially digging our own graves. So that's it. Look, you can follow it all. It's been live streamed. It's well worth checking out and follow the progress. And I'll be giving further updates during the course of the week. Thank you.